not very nice out there. Right, today, being as we're on lockdown, and I've got a day off work, and it's pissing down, I'm going to fit, what do they call it? A spray guard. So one thing I found with a KTM is it just sprays crap all over, all over the back of the bike, all up the back of my jacket, and yeah, I'm getting a bit fed up with it now really. So I got one of these. Not the best looking thing in the world. Well, I don't know, see what it's like. Might look right. But yeah, I can't bother to keep cleaning my bloody jacket down. It looks a bit complicated. But I don't think it is. We'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, do you like your new hat? Is it on straight? I'm at Tesco's today. Well, there's me and Beth. Beth's wearing her like fluorescent coat thing, and me with my hat on. This old lady's coming out with a, I don't know why you need walking poles, but yeah, so obviously likes hiking. She said, "Oh, you won't get lost, will you?" I said, "Well, no, between me and her coat, it should be alright." And then I didn't really get that. Some bloke came out. He was wearing a whole set of fluorescent orange jacket and trousers. He said, "What did he say? Did he say I like your hat?" Something like, "Oh, I like your hat, mate." He said, "Oh, are you taking money?" And I don't know what the hell that was supposed to mean. But yeah, anyway. It's a bit fluorescent, I suppose, isn't it? On a grey, miserable day, it tends to stand out. I can't get in it. I can't get in it. Oh, there you go. Oh. It might be a bit more involved than I was expecting. Perhaps I'll read the instructions. It looks like I've actually got to take the axle out, have I? Looks like it replaces the axle adjuster. What do you call it? I don't know what you call it. I can't get this out either. Spare bit. Quality control in 140. What the hell are they? Well, that's to bolt. That's to bolt the actual guard bit onto the bracket. So let's see what the instructions say. Yeah, I bought these for a reason. Ouch! Messed it up already. Mounting. Oh, it does actually. Yes. I'm going to take the actual just a bit wrong by it, but yeah. I do look like a bit of a KTM fanboy now, don't I? All I need now is a jacket. Yeah, the bike is bigger than I thought. It's only little. I don't know, one of my other videos, it is actually quite, I don't know, yeah, quite big. I thought it would just like fit here or something. Oh, don't do that. Right, now, I shall demonstrate the extent of the shite. Mind you, it's fairly shite at the front. Yeah, perhaps, I mean, I've just been riding through crap, I suppose, but I think this is only one ride. But it's just... it's just everywhere. Right, so let's see what needs to be done. It shouldn't be too bad, I suppose, should it? I've got to take this bit off, and it replaces that. So I need... take that bolt off. Remove the thingamajig. Yeah. You go, 22mm spanner. Should probably clean that up first, shouldn't I? Never mind. See that bit? Replaces that bit. In theory. Do I need one on this end? Oh, bloody hell. I need something a bit stronger. Oh my word! That's quite tight. Probably a good thing. Oh shit. I should use the rack kit really, shouldn't I? Back that off a bit. We'll try it with electric instead. Well, that was actually quite easy, wasn't it? Well, right. So we got a thingamajig, and we need the other thingamajig. Is it? Am I actually in shot? Not really. Ah, one of those, look. Now, I've got to think about this, haven't I? If it goes that way around, we want this. Well, it's not going to work, is it? Huh? I'm confused already. Oh, there you go, look. It's not difficult, really. Side one's up first. What the hell's that? Oh. A small child. Right. There you go. Lovely. Looks like it's off a transformer or something, isn't it? Dead, stop here. Get it together. Okay. Right. Oh my word. That bit goes on here like so. Followed by this bit. And this bit. Is that it, really? Oh, I don't know about that. Oh, just spanner on the other end now. What size is that then? 19, 17? Don't know. $17. Oh, bloody hell. Ow, I've got a broken spanner. I've got my finger stuck in it. Ooh, that hurt, that did. I really should have. 22mm socket. I've got a torque wrench somewhere. Oh, pinch me finger. Oh, bugger. Right, let's do it bloody tight. For now. Oh. There you go. That's bloody tight. But there you go. Cool. Zoom that back out again, I reckon, back. Yeah, I don't know. There's nothing wrong with the product, but yes, it might look a bit better once I've washed it. It just looks clean, but I don't know. It's more a practical thing, really, because I can't be bothered to keep washing it every time I go out. I have to give it a wash. I do the wash anyway, really, I suppose, but yeah, I can't be bothered to keep cleaning my jacket. I suppose that's the main thing. But yeah, anyway. Givi, I presume it's called Givi, isn't it? Givi. Universal spray guard. Well, this is the universal bit. The other bracket's specific to the bike. What was it? Was it? Got a name? Just yeah, easy to fit. Oh, yeah, I just thought I don't want to sign out now. Hopefully I'll get out on the bike the weekend. Just to go to work, obviously. I mean, actually just to go to work. I might take a long way home. But yeah, I'll give it a test, and that'll be, yes, I'll include that on the video. Right.